Hey everyone, Colleen here. I wanted to share with you a little bit about a $5 book sale. They are so great and a great way to get some sales if you're working for a goal, trying to earn some trip points, or trying to promote. So I want to show you a little bit about it, and then I'm going to have more specifics later on how to do it. But I created an event in my VIP group. You can either do it directly in your VIP group or as an event in your VIP group. And then I put details of the sale. So what it is a sale where books that are normally $4.99 to $8.99, or some consultants do $4.99 to $7.99, that they're only $5. So you'll see that here, that's what I put, and then I did it for 3 days. You can decide how long you're going to do it, but that's how long I did it. So if you look, you'll see that I have created some albums here of the pictures. So for example, I had an album called Christmas Books, and then in that album, not really album, if you did it in your VIP group, it would be an album. If you did it in like an event, it would be a post. But I created a post with Christmas books, and in this post are Christmas books that are $4.99 to $8.99, and I'm only charging my customers $5 for those books. So if they were interested in purchasing that book, they would comment order next to it. There is no limited quantity. They can order as many as they want, and as many people who want it can order it. So you'll see that one of these books is very popular, and I had several order this one. So that's how that works. And you'll see I have one for Christmas books, one for wipe clean books, sticker books, activity books, color and drawing books, nonfiction books, and I have actually 3 different ones, 3, 2, and 1. And the reason I had to break them up is because you are limited when you do an event. You're limited to how many pictures you can have per post. Now, if you do it in your VIP group directly, you can create albums and you're not limited in that. So just keep that in mind. And then I have 6 chapter book ones, and I tried to group them by age. So you'll see as I scroll down, the books are for younger and younger children, starting with the Hey Jack books as well. And then I have the picture books, phonics books, preschool books, toddler books, and baby books. I also did do a giveaway in my VIP group directly, where I had the participants, or had people post. I had a post about the $5 sale, and then in the comments they did their favorite gift, how excited they were about the sale, and that person won $10 gift certificate to use during the sale. So that is a way to promote it. And I'll talk more about getting the word out about your sale. But then, so I posted them all on one day, Monday morning, and then all the albums were available. Now, some consultants and leaders have done it where they tier it. So at 9 o'clock they post chapter books, at 10 o'clock they post activity books, etc. And then some have even done it on Monday is baby, toddler, phonics books, Tuesday is chapter books, Wednesday is different. So, but I did it all in one day, and that was to do because of my schedule, and also I didn't want people to feel they had to come back. They could just look at them while they were doing it. And then at the end of every day, I sent a thank you to everybody who ordered, as well as a link to the checkout, because what I did is at the very top, I pinned how the sale works, what they need to do, step-by-step instructions. So you'll see the instructions, and I will have that printed out for you, but basically I said that there was no limit and that I was going to be ordering these books, so there would be a delay in getting them versus an inventory sale, that I was only charging $5 for each, even the ones that were $4.99, just made it easy, and then I charge my local tax because they're being shipped to me. And then I talk about shipping, how the shipping can be either they can arrange pickup, or I can ship it to them. And I charge $3 for 1 to 2 books, 4 for 3 to 4, 5 for 5+ books. But I did do the caveat, if they hosted a party in the last 6 months, or scheduled one, or had one scheduled, then I would deliver the books to them who are local and cover shipping for those who are not. So that is an incentive to get some parties scheduled as well. I told them they would comment order if they wanted it, and then they would fill out a jot form. Once they were done, once the jot form was filled in, then I would go ahead and invoice them, and they would send me their payment. So the jot form, I did include an option where they can include other books that were on there. I'm sorry, that are available, but not in the $5 sale, that they could get for regular price. So I'm going to show you the jot form basically, and I'll have a link to that, but basically it's just the checkout. It talks about, I asked for their name, etc. Are there any books they want to include that were not in the $5 sale that they would get for regular price? What their shipping choice was. Again, I gave them the option to schedule a party to get shipping free. If they wanted to donate any books to a local charity, $5 per book. And then if they had any questions about being consulted. So that is the overview of the $5 book sale, and I'm excited to have you try it. It's a lot of time, but you get an incredible amount of sales, so I think it's definitely worth it. All right.